Hey guys, it's time to make best out of waste. We will make photo frame with the help of newspaper. It is very easy to make and gets ready very quickly. We will also make abstract painting on A4 sheet. This photo frame looks gorgeous and beautify any wall, be it your bedroom, drawing room or dining room. So let's learn how to make best out of waste. We will take old newspaper pages and cut each newspaper page in half. Now we will roll up the newspaper to make it look like a straw. Use your thumb to roll it up and finger to give firm support from the back. We will secure the open end corner by pasting it with the help of Fevicol. Have a close look how to start rolling the paper. We will make total 12 straws, and after that we will sort out 6 straws which are bigger than the others. Now we have sorted the straws in two groups, big straws and small straws. We will take the group of small straws and make a subgroup of 3 straws each. We will join each subgroup of 3 straws with the help of sellotape as shown. Since we are making photo frame for a A4 sheet paper, we will mark the dimensions with reference to A4 sheet. You can take the photo or painting which you will be framing to mark the reference point. On the small side of the paper, we will place the small subgroups of straw and will mark a point 3 inches outside of the paper on the straw. Now we will cut off the straw diagonally from the mark point. You can understand the same by following steps I am doing. We will repeat the same step for the other small subgroup of straws. Now we will take the group of big straws and divide it into two subgroups. We will secure each subgroup by sellotape and repeat the same steps of marking and cutting off the edges of straws. Only thing to be ensured is that we have to mark point at 2 inches this time. As you can see, our raw photo frame structure is ready. It is looking beautiful already. As we can see at the ends, the straws are little bit loose, so we will fix them with sellotape. Before painting the straws, let's have some fun by doing abstract painting. In future, I will be uploading detailed video on abstract painting. That's why here we are going in fast forward mode, as our prime motto is to make photo frame. Here we are using oil paint. For this painting, we are using yellow and red color. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you will not miss out the detailed video of the beautiful abstract painting, which is as easy to make as it can be. If you want to make the painting dry fast, you can use hairdryer, or else you can just leave the painting for 10 minutes. You can see how beautiful this texture has came out just by using two colors. Since the wall color of my house is white, so accordingly I have chosen dark red and black color to give a contrast look to photo frame. You can always choose the colors to paint the straws to complement your wall color. Since the reverse side will not be visible, there is no need to color that portion. Now we are done with the painting. Make sure your painting or photo is laminated so that you can protect it from dust. Here we will do the lamination by using cloth packing sheet. Apply a layer of Fevicol and paste the straws. After pasting two sets of straws, we will apply Fevicol on all the 4 corners and paste other 2 straws to complete the photo frame. Here are some snaps of the wall on which I have pasted this photo frame. You can easily paste it by using double-sided tape or glue gun. If you are interested to learn how to make butterflies, please click on the link popped up above. Thanks for watching.